Let's try it. You're catching on.
Ha ha ha.